We're going to show you how to swap between Misfit devices by using the apps. I do that because I do not wear my Misfit Phase when I go to bed, and if I were to do vigorous exercise such as running or swimming, I would use the Misfit Shine. So let us turn on the apps, as currently the apps is synchronized to Misfit Shine. First, we'll need to synchronize. Once the apps has started to sync, we can check the status. Let's go back to home. So we have just synchronized our Misfit Shine. Go to devices and we're going to unlink the Shine. Select remove device. So now there's no device synced. We will now attempt to synchronize our Misfit Phase. So let us select the plus sign over here, and we'll select Misfit Phase. We can press the button at the top and go to next. And it has detected that our face is very close. Tap on that. So we'll go to next. And we can enable or disable the Misfit moved. Let's disable that. Go to next. We'll leave the notifications enabled. Go to next. Go to next. And the timing is correct. So let us select yes. Let's select let's go. And you can see that the face is syncing. And if you were to go to home, you can see that the sync has been completed for Misfit Phase. And if you were to go to devices, you can see that it is now synchronized to Misfit Phase. So this is how you sync and unsync or link and unlink your different Misfit devices.